Everything that you might want to study could somehow be studied through an experience here. There is math here, and there is literature here, and there is economics here, and there is geography here.
What you are going to have is a customized piece of programming that will help your students to better understand New York history. We have programs in so many different spaces. We use the historic ships. We are over inside of the museum's galleries.
It's a place that celebrates all kinds of connections. It connects people to their past. It connects New York City to the world. And it also connects all of the areas of human endeavor to each other.